all having a fabulous time here tonight. As you can see, we've got some doggos asleep. We should have some decent tunes coming at you from the background, and with any luck, my camera will behave as well. I mean, hey, what else can we ask for tonight? There we go. Decent camera. Cool. Well, I hope to see you guys all active tonight. Just a quick explanation of what I plan on doing tonight. I don't want that recording thing up there. I just pressed record on it so it doesn't. The power likes to go out on me, so it shouldn't need to record, but hey, when you buy the cheap cameras, you get the cheap tools. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so today, my plan is to work on a little tutorial course walkthrough type thing that I started a long time ago for Go. In my experience, Go is not the most user-friendly language, as in it's like zero user-friendliness. If you have, less than 2.5, 3 years experience, or if you've never used a C-based language. So I started this tutorial for beginners, people who've never coded before. And like I said, I haven't touched it in a long time. So yeah, I have picked out, I have a whole ton of things that I want to go through and make. I'm pretty sure I got through 1.4, so I'm just gonna see where I left off. Just go from there. If you have any questions, please hit us up on the chat. Even though for some reason I can't move the chat box. That's because I broke it. I broke all of the things. I basically don't want to crash my stream, but so I want to see if I can move this again. No, I don't want the alert box. I want the chat box. Yeah, I want the chat box. Thank you. Oh my goodness. There we go. That's, yes. This is what I wanted. Perfect. My goodness. Okay, back to where we were. Part 1, Introduction to Programming. So this is basically programming fundamentals. And I believe, see, I only got through functions, so that's where we'll end up. So, part 1 point. Oh, I switched types and functions. That's why functions, I didn't care to switch that. So let's go to functions. I don't know how far I fleshed this out. Anyway, the whole idea for this is that someone would do it in an online Go editor, like Go Playground or Go Play.space or something like that. That would give them so they wouldn't have to set up a dev environment, because I know for me, when I first started, dev environments were terrifying. Like, I thought that every time I touched the command line, I thought I was gonna crash my computer. And that was only 3 years ago. Now every time I choose to, my mom had saved all of her Word files onto her Mac desktop. And so I opened Terminal to move them somewhere else instead of using the Finder. So obviously I'm no longer scared of the command line. Okay, so looks like we're on conditionals. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'll make a conditionals. 1.4. Wait, I should check, see if I have types. For anyone who has just logged on, oh see, look, I even have like the freaking outline. Let's see, make sure that I have types. Not functions. Oh. I guess this would be 3, right? Because I didn't rename them. Okay, so I do. This isn't Bash. Oh, did my stream crash again? My stream must have crashed again. For the chat to just come back like that. Cool. So I guess I should reintroduce what I'm doing if the stream crashed. I'm working on a tutorial course for people who are new to development, as in they have never coded before, ever. I know that Go is not the most welcoming for people who have never coded, but I think it can be. I think it's super easy to read, super easy to use. I mean, I tried to use Rust like a month ago and I freaked out. And like I said, I've been doing this for a hot second. At 26 years old, I'm claiming I've been doing this for a hot second. So, I don't know what I'm trying to call conditionals. Are used to control the flow of data points through. I haven't touched this in forever. So sorry. My friend on Discord just told me he's not going to be joining me tonight because he has to play D&D. Come on, guy. You can't do that. I am way more important than D&D. Actually, that's debatable. Very debatable. Data points through your program. They are used to introduce logical paths. Oh, this is a cool song. I was like super into dubstep when I was in high school. This isn't quite dubstep. It's just when I was in high school. Like dubstep, Skrillex was like the top artist in the world my senior year of high school. So navigate. So as I'm doing this, if something doesn't make sense, if you have any questions, if you want to make it better, feel free to throw something in the chat. If not, you can just make a PR to this at any point in time in the distant future. Okay, cool. What's up, Jake? He needs some Jake, wave to the camera. That's Jake. He lives here. He's my nephew. Boolean. Oh, I said something about a Boolean type, didn't I? What did I say about the Boolean type? Did the Boolean types. I wonder, like, okay, I'm gonna do something. See? Boolean operators and or not. See, I want this. I'm gonna link this. What did Wikipedia say? Okay. Boolean operators are used for evaluating statements. That's not how you spell statements, but my spell checker didn't go off, so it has to be that result. Dude, it's like freaking writing a book on Twitch. In Boolean. That's such a funny word. Conditions. Let's throw a link to the Wikipedias. Operators such as or greater than, less than. Oh, I'm just gonna say include. And oh, don't forget not equals. Wanna know what throws me off every single time? That when you write SQL statements, you only do one equal sign. Like, in my head, This is not really cool. Oh my gosh! I yawn every time I do this. I think when I talk, I forget to breathe. Oh gosh. Greater than... Oh, and it's really hilarious to add these to the end of API calls, REST calls, when you have to adding them as options or arguments. That's super duper fun. Greater than, or equal, because then you're using like letters, like greater than or equals to becomes GE. Or equals. Guys, I'm better at spelling now than I was probably 6 months. Not spelling, typing. When I was in college, I couldn't type for nothing. Took me like 3 extra days to type an essay just because the number of typos I would have. I didn't know any of less than. The keys were on the keyboard. That's what you get for not requiring spelling in high school. Less than or equal to? I don't think I have left any out. Equal to. No. Oh gosh, why aren't my numbers showing? There we go, I like to know what line I'm on. Be a good time for us to even see my background. I have a giant blanket over there. It's such a mess. And the dogs are asleep. Why am I looking back at them? I have a camera. To experiment with these. Okay, in your browser. I hope that I have some kind of consistency with my pronoun use instead of saying you and your and we and. Can anyone tell me if that music is ridiculously too loud? Can you hear the music okay? Can you hear the music too much? Do I need to turn the music down? Or go text editor. Go play space. I don't even know if anybody still maintains that. Oh my gosh. I'm yawning so bad. So bad. How did that not get yanked? Why? There we go. Okay. I should pull that up. Go played out space. I should learn these. I just never use bottom right, bottom left. Okay, I just kind of want to print this. And it's not Vim anymore. Literal string is not terminated. It's live rendering, not compiling. Let's try this. We'll do something really basic. 1 is less than 2. And then we do command enter. That said command enter would run it. True. Okay, so it does. Okay. Go over there, okay. Let's make you small for now. Okay, again, anybody give me feedback. Is this music too annoying? Do I need to turn it down? Like, I'm enjoying it, but I want to make sure it's not too annoying. Doesn't detract. Let's start by I really like that I know my chat's working. I don't want it to mute. I just want it just tad bit quieter. I feel like this one was a little loud. I've never done music before, so let me know if it's completely ridiculous. Okay. Some statements. Let's start with something that we know is true. With something that we know is true. In your file page. your main function to include to resemble the following. Right? When you run, I should have done the stinking environment ones when my computer crashed. My work computer crashed not too long ago, and I had to set up my dev environment again. It would have been really nice just to do like a side-by-side. But hey, that's not where we're at. When you run this code, you should see a Boolean value printed of true or false. I bet when I read this, you can really see the delay. Is in fact a larger number than 1, we expect this statement 1 is less than 2 to be true. I used the word evaluated earlier. True. Printed below, we win. Below only has one L. Yay! We've just learned what a logical operator of Boolean type is. Lulu, we did it! I hope you can see that the biggest dog is laying on her back. That's how she prefers to sleep. Okay. Now try these. Printing. Now, I think, okay. Browser and no, okay, to think of wording here. I think it would be a good time to like try and start anticipating what we expect the results to be, right? Like, the whole idea of conditionals is we want something to be true or false. Well, we want it to have a certain behavior, and we're trying to anticipate that behavior. So we got to start teaching them to think with these Boolean 1-0 options, right? With the yes/no Boolean options. So I want to teach them how to anticipate it. So that means We should, that means how do I want to format that? Now let us try to anticipate the result. Oh, I know what we can do. Ha! My camera turned off. No camera. Bad camera. You can't see me pointing at my camera trying to scold it. There we go. That should turn on. Now let's try to anticipate the result. We're just gonna write it though. Okay, I'm gonna go down here to my Go program. And we're gonna do a printf. And we're gonna do something like 2 is greater than or equal to 3. But we're gonna do this. And we're gonna put this here. So the statement 2 is greater than or equal to 3 is, and then, right? And then we're gonna say is false. Well, I think it's false, but we would want them to put something there, right? That I would replace with guess. Now is, there's probably a way to just do booleans. My guess is, I guess, and then replace, right? And then new line. Now I want to format it. Okay, cool. So I could have like 3 or 4 of these, right? Let's try. This is like a freaking worksheet from elementary school, right? 2 equals 3. 2 does not equal 3. Do I have another one down there? Cool. Because I'm writing this, and there's no answer key, and I'm not greeting anybody. Copy and paste the following into your... See, I'm really confused. And what I'm confused at is how many people actually are on Twitch? Because I know if I was gonna go, there's like only 175,000 people watching Minecraft right now. But nobody actually learning how to code. I bet there's more people watching quilting right now than are watching my face is too far away, than is watching on this stream. Into your play space. And right, play space is a link. Replacing your main function. Main. Where was Vim when I was writing my senior thesis in college? And I mean, it was only a senior thesis. It's not like it was a PhD thesis with all that crap. But where was it? That is my question. Way easier to navigate than LaTeX editor. Replace the underlined portion with your guess of what you think the Boolean statement evaluate to. And just for funsies, is funsies a word? Good question. We will try. See, this isn't even exciting. Try one more set of I don't like that. One more set of what are we calling this? Exercises? Yeah. Feel free to put these into your play space. And guess. Now that I'm building a website, I could put this on my website one day. I don't know, I just feel like it'd be a little bit more accessible if it wasn't in Markdown on GitHub, but like you could actually visit it with a URL. You know? They're all false? Oh, I didn't change any of them. Freaking heck, look at this! See, this is where we're using Go Play Space so that they can just look it up. Genius. Genius. Who created this? Who created this? Who? They linked to something and I like it. Cool. True, false, true. Do I need to explain and or? Do I need to explain? Someone else can do that. Nobody else is gonna do it, but let's just pretend. Like they can. Oh, I wanna mess with the chatbot. It's weird to me that it goes from the bottom up. What can I say? What can I say? What can I say? Okay, I need to make these more complicated. And 2 is less than 3, right? Question, do I need to do parentheses for like order of operations and stuff? Let's see. Come on. What? Yeah, I do. I mean, like, I guess the really easy explanation of and would be using the table, right? We had something like. Oh yeah, but they don't have to. So I could do this. I could do true and false. I feel like this is how they teach you. Like, in the... I have taken... How many programming courses have I formally taken? I took one in college, C++. I took one in high school. Was that formal? It was out of a game called We Shot Aliens. I didn't play it. I was too goody-goody and, like, thought that I needed to actually try and get work done, but it's really hard to get work done when you're the only one trying to do work. Also hard to get work done when you're working in Java. It was a class taught exclusively in Java, with somebody who failed out of the private sector, because let's be real, you cannot make money teaching at a vocational school. Untyped bullet, what? Those aren't strings. Those aren't strings. Those aren't strings. Okay, does that mean I'll have to set them? Yeah, I will. And then... But, like, I'm pretty sure I've done this in my... What was that class I took in high school? About writing proofs? It was all about proofs. Not semester of college. All about proofs. The class... I took it at the same time as linear algebra, and for the life of me, I could not pass those tests. I would do the assignments, I would participate in class. I did everything. I could not pass a stupid test in college. That's why I quit grad school. Who needs to pass tests when you can make money in the real world? Right? This should work. They tell me it's strings. Oh, it's because they're printf. Well, I could have done anything if I was doing ln. I want to go back to and just go do the ln. It's a little bit more straightforward. I feel like this is a horrible thing. Proofs? What was the class called on proofs? It's a math class. I took it because I thought I needed to be a math minor. But turns out you can't have a D and be a math minor. Oops. Only D I ever got in my life was in a maths class. Oh, I forgot about not. Look, guys. Forgot about not. And or but not equal to not. We almost forgot not. Was for not. What would I do without these little hints? Okay, right? Yes, but I want true, false, true. Do I expect this to be, I expect, whoa. False and false? This should be true. This should be true. Okay. Let's put it to Twitter. Where's Twitter? Okay, Twitters. I think I'm opening the Twitch app, actually. That's not what I wanted. I mean... Hey. Whoa! Whoa. I'm not teaching Go for new programmers. Whatever. Yeah, not watching Twitch. I'm writing Twitch. I'm writing Twitch. Am I writing Twitch? Apparently you can't make this bigger. Okay. What should this print? What should this result be? In Golang, right? Like, this is, so we have a func, no. Come on, don't autocorrect me. Can I just do the print line? I'm just gonna do this. I feel like I need the main function or else it's a lie. Because this statement doesn't run on its own. Because this is Go. This is not what... This is not a trick question, but the answer was not what I expected. Okay. No! Camera! I just took a picture of myself. I don't want to see the picture of myself. Okay. Thank you, tweeters. I'm gonna freaking use Vim bindings everywhere. Does anybody ever, like in text, or I use them in Slack all the time. I've used them in emails before. Like, I'm so used to just typing in Vim. Okay. My personal opinion is that if statements are some of the most power... I do not have selects in here, it's just switch, right? I'm not doing channels and routines. Nope. I want you to know that everybody that and I got super jealous. Super duper jealous. Super duper jealous. I just typing, type, the most powerful, conditional, programming language. It's used everywhere. It is used everywhere. Take a look at this random snippet from I'm just gonna go on GitHub and find some Go code. Is Go on GitHub? It has to be somewhere. Let's go find some random Go code. Let's go find some random Go code. No, I don't want Go by me. I want to just go to GitHub. I don't know if this was a good choice. Yeah, there we go. I just started a topic. Oh, there we go. I'm just gonna go to a random place, right? Well, look, let's just go to the commit that was most recently added. Okay, that was just a delete. That doesn't count. It doesn't count if it's just a delete. It has to be an addition, but let's not go look at the 5,000 issues. No. Document unmarshalling. No. Fix non-script statements. Update doc editors require simple. Fix exponential. Remove stop the world descriptive field. Mark histogram metrics. Okay, yeah, no. I'm just gonna like literally just go to a file. Container list.go. Look, first function has an if statement. See, copy permalink. Yeah. Notice how I know that this is overwhelming, and if you are new to development, then you may not understand too much, but that is okay. Boy, the most overuse statement ever. That is okay. Like, honestly, it is okay. Nobody expects you to know what the heck is going on. A quick second to see, to count. Is that a good idea? Making him count how many if statements there are? Is it a good idea? I don't know. Sorry, I got distracted by the music. I really like this, I really like this song. Super powerful. If statements take state. If statements take a Boolean condition and run the code contained by the if statement is by the if statement only when the condition is met. Let us I say let us to help me remember the grammar. My grammar sucks. Okay. See, now I guess my question is now, I expect, is education theory a thing? Hey, all of you 12 million people watching this right now, I want you to tell me if education theory is a thing, and if I should actually care about education theory when looking at this. Right? I mean, I've kind of considered the fact that, look, there's a little alert in my stream about when my stream crashed. Drop fame detected 25% over the last 2 minutes. Uh-oh. What does this work? Yeah, it probably is related to Poor Network. It's okay. My network's been crappy. It went out today. Pay for fiber and it goes out. Okay, how do I want to do this? Well, they don't really have like a user input thing because we're just doing this. So let's just write something pretty simple. Age, right? So we'll have age equals 13. Oh, this is when you would write a stupid story problem. Something to the effect of, what's a movie coming out? Movie theater. I just randomly came into my head, right? So we'll say, problem, right? This is when code becomes a tool for problem solving and not a tool for, what else is, it's only a tool for problem solving. Like, what else would you ever use code for? Problem. Pulp. Like I said, this is completely random. I've never seen Pulp Fiction. Because I haven't. Like, I just never wanted to. And I don't even know what year it came out. And I came out, like, I was nonverbal. If it came out before 1996, I was nonverbal. Pulp Fiction is having a special viewing at your local movie theater to help encourage movie theater attendance in a post-COVID world. I thought I heard my dog. Post-COVID-10. We need to write Lulu, are you saying hi to Mr. Max? Hey, Lulu! Did you come get Mom? Good girl, lay on your pillow. Good girl. We need to write a function, right? We're not writing a program, we're writing a function because we haven't gotten that far yet. Because we're only doing it on the interwebs. We don't have a dev stuff. Sorry, I needed to pet my dog. She really... What, Lulu? Mama's still doing coding. She'll come snuggle with you in like half an hour, okay? Can you wait half an hour for Mama? Okay. Cool. To write a function that... Oh. The movie theater has a restriction on has an age on who can, yes, Lulu, purchase tickets. We need to write a function that allows, that tells us if a customer is old enough to purchase a ticket. Cool. In your main function, start by and we're gonna build on this for else. and if else, and else if. I don't know what I was thinking when I wrote this. Nobody knows what I was thinking when I wrote this. This was how long ago? When was the last time I committed besides that wasn't today? Let's see. I updated 2 hours ago. Updated. Come on, I want to see when the last time I committed was. 7 stars. Yes. Oh, I'm getting sidetracked. Yes, stars. Come on. 24 pull requests. Good job, Mariah. July 26, 2019, July 24th, 2019. What the heck did I set the theme for? Oh yeah, I think I do have a set to a website. Right? Anyway, July 24th. Was the last time that anybody was seeing this. And sorry, I got completely sidetracked because I forgot what the heck I'd done with this. So it's been 6 months since I've touched this. 6 months since I went here. Yeah, we can see when this... February. So almost 1 year ago was when I wrote this skeleton. Yeah. I have no idea what I was thinking a year ago. A year ago, it was pre-COVID, so... No, that's 2 years ago. We're in 2021. And so that means that I made this commit 18 months ago. Yep. Who knows? Bye. Defining a variable named age. Oh, guys, I'm getting a lot of errors. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night then. We'll schedule another one for this week. And hopefully, we can start having these a little bit more regular. Yeah, I hope to do these, work on this intro to Go, the Go 0 to Hero tutorial, probably 2 or 3 times a month. Work on my other projects on Fridays. Yeah, that's kind of, where I'm planning on being. Should we see if there's... See, I haven't... If there's, anything good on Twitch right now. I'll send you guys in a raid. Apparently that's a thing. You're supposed to, see, look, my internet's so slow it won't even pull up Twitch. Neovim. Rust, the video game, coded help advice. So that, any language. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna try this, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna sign off. Have fun tonight. And let me know if you have any more questions. See you Friday.